2024, people like Abua Paponum, they were all in the campaign track. No media, ye. But they.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana 7TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications. Right, anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
2024, people like Abua Paponum, they were all in the campaign track. No media, ye. But they almost would that party. Well, now, well, Charlie, Obehu Hawa, or no Mobesia to 2 and Namampa. Yes, sir, Bronsama, one nimno, one in an antitin Yamia unimno. They say, one Abwapa for winning with me. Intino, there are places here. So even class of Baby Pertinent Duma, there are places here, and yes, all man.
Okay, but finally, let me ask you this. The fact say will be disagree. I also support candidates for no. Another can does it mean say or your snake?
And yes, so you snake. There are kind of words, me no bit man ante. Me no benante. But are there some kind of words who you swear I see you as an enemy.
Okay.
Yeah, politics and your personal attack. So attack me personality doesn't mean say nya madam for. Say I'm for cry na my
Yeah.
we fight. We go out, we come back together, we work together. But say me no ko now the kana wo me no ye yanko yi wan kan we wan you see. That kind of person won't mean trust know what you are stuff. Maybe on no benante, but there are some factors and I say things about your life or won't mean exposed to him because you can't trust him. Because of a loud man, what the one chankoka. When in your issue, there's no one who be here misunderstanding mamuntem. But ubia misunderstanding bamuntema won't mean keep you secret. He's not a friend. And you can't keep that person close to you. Or a sell out. That kind of person will be by money scar. That's what overvalue scanners and one for fun because he doesn't value that friendship. Into on a bit sabwa papon say hopes na do ye no sang nkofo na omo di omo afru na nam say even cause omo mo free bono kura and entertain omo. Me one thing I've learned that you should know. Say those say in a person ye na say ye put nko that right direction but there are people key points are actually you need not to entertain them. Some positions, and yes, all come bouncing that cruise because they will hurt you. And I bet because we'll be all genie to that extent. And I say, money, ben now wouldn't say or can I send you about it? Same way any person is here and I make a chair no. And I want to actually, the voice go in pa. You can't, you be shy, even so, won't even bab on 10 gram, it will hurt you. Into there are stuff where. Yeah, I saw so many things. And yeah, about the politics. Second, Baba, only interactive. Ubi, I mean, just say, do say, or one platform, I don't know whatever he said about Baha, them you're picking. Yeah, then it's a fine. Maturity. But when you're mature, there politics, and I say, oh, Ubema emotions, I rule over everything now. I don't think that's the best.
Okay.
Thank you to Abua. Abua,
me that say. What do you for? Now, how is your health now? Are you better now?
Surgery bad.
Oh,
Speedy
recovery. Speedy recovery. Yeah, thank you. Yo, aspiring. Okay, aspiring is off. Okay, are you back or you are busy small?
No, I'm back. I wanted to say something with Uncle Felix Diokaya. I think it's very refreshing when we hear people. When I hear people talk about Dr. Bawumia outside of the professional so into I think you should talk about him more on the personal interactions I'm having because in Ipade we call something parasocial relationships, right? When you get to me, the more the more or better was or better amount. Like if you feel distant, sometimes who is with the Wahana Misuaha. So, and I think say when it comes to Canada, Japan, did actually be very nice because of that. So, you know, had the opportunity to talk to Dr. Bawumia. I think that this is the second time. The first time was from Kofi Tonto, and this is the second time outside of it's refreshing to hear about Dr. Bawumia and Myanmar way, and even refreshing to see that to hear that he got angry. So when you see it,
Yeah.
so that is what I wanted to say to Diana Walker and so.
Yeah,
And
but they thank you too.
yeah,
Was it necessary? And
oh,
what
of
lessons
course,
have you learned? What lessons should flag bearers learn?
of course, I
Manuel
say
Dako, I see you. How are you doing? Long time. Go
it's
ahead.
what should I say? A tradition, right? So a tradition, so it had to be continued. Just that it was done a little bit differently. And I think he had good intentions. And he said, yeah, Uncle Felix kind. So you're the leader. And yes, some power something I'm no way Jumo. But then because he said Juma no, me name se be a me here why yes, yeah, you need to know. That is how yeah. Like in any managerial position and as administrative position, be no beyond our panasam, but for the sake of a Juma, especially young nurses, for instance. Me, I'm in poor biasama, and as I'm not a fan of somebody, but for the sake of the patients, I have to work with you, and only I don't think say, it's good and what good intentions. Unfortunately, Myanmar P came out of it. Some of them were positive, others were very negative. But in everything, we learn from it. And to know, said, well, who may be our Gina, especially or a deputy communications director, for instance. I don't think some friend is all mechanic campaign. So, a yin crowd being in a dead. And I think it was a good thing. What came out of it is a lesson. That's what I have to say.
Yo, thank
And
you so
that's it.
much, Aspire. Yo, Auntie Tina, good evening. Okay, I think Auntie Tina is away. All right, Dashell, good evening.
Good evening,
Okay, Auntie Tina, yeah.
also,
But you're
yeah,
here.
yeah, couple of with us, please. But she has a
Thanks
point
for
of view.
thanks for yesterday too.
Oh, you welcome. You kakra mekani say, well, sometimes yeah, nipa, one nipa bi utamfo nama, ya wuhu no, utamfo all your pa, unim no, na wakɔka wasɛm asɛm bi a ɔbɛnya no na waka akyerɛ no na ɔno ankasa na watwa no ho na aba abɛsɛ asɛm no ɔno ankasa na ɔde akɔ akɔto abɔntene saa thank you tɔɔ yɛ a ɔmo kɔɔyɛ no ɛwɔ mo sɛ dɔkta wampa aba ɛwɔ mo wieɛ no a nsɛm a ɔmo kɔ ne nanyɛ ɔmo hu yɛ ɔmo bɛka ayɛ biara no wampa aba ɔde ne tamfoɔ nyinaa kaa ne ho sɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛbɔ mu akɔ yɛn nyinaa yɛ npp foɔ ne yɛbɛkɔ nti ọmụ kọọ ya nso nneɛma a esisi yɛ nneɛma a ɛbaayɛ ɛma dọkịta ɔyɛ nipa bi a wama n'ani ada hɔ paa wama n'ani ada hɔ ɔsɛ kwasi ahyerɛw a yɛntua so mpire no nti sɛ ɔresere akyerɛw but ne tim deɛ ɔbɛmura akyerɛw nti mi deɛ saa deɛ na ɔmo yɛ no ɛyɛ paa ama yɛ ahuru neɛ ɔpɛ npp asɛm neɛ ɔtare npp neɛ ɔmpɛ dɔkịta asɛm neɛ ɛnam so a sɛnka nipa mpo a yɛka sɛ ɔnam no so a yɛ a yɛyɛ wee pɔtɔɔ no saa nipa no anka yɛhu no no yɛde yɛano no yɛtentene ne so ne yɛntumi mfa yɛn nsa ɛntene ne so but wei baayɛ no ama yɛatumi ahu nipa a na ɔgyina pintin a ɔne deɛ ɔkaa sɛ npp foɔ mɛgu mu anim ase yɛbɛtena opposition akyɛ yɛ a na kyerɛ sɛ yɛatena opposition saa dɔmbrɛ yɛ a saa dɔmbrɛ mo so ɛsane ɛkekakeka nneɛma bi a ɛnsɛ ne mfata no nti yɛda nyankopɔn ase nti dɔkta no ɔmfa nyɛ suadeɛ sɛ nyɛ nipa nyinaa no yɛde yɛ ho bɔ no nipa bi wɔ ha wode ho bɛbɔ no no na wahwɛ no yie paa wahwɛ no sɛnea ɔsi teɛ ɔsɛ aboa no sɛ ɔnwɛ ɔnam a ɔnwe ne se ɛmfa nkyerɛw but nipa na di kana anwen ne se atro dada so wa sinanka doctor e se man ni da nti ya da Nyankopɔn ase awurade ɔnhyɛ ne dene na yɛnsan yɛnkɔtra ba na yɛnyi ne bi because yɛnim sɛ ne papa bi ɛwɔ ne mu nipa bi ɛwɔ ne mu sɛ nyame yɛ adɔna yɛde ne ba obetumi aboa yɛ.
Auntie Tina. All right, Dashiell, good evening.
No. I'm good.
Let me hear you. Flag bearer, the flag bearer aspirants, Honorable Ken, Dr. Bawumia learn from the entire election and the thing.
You guys can hear me, right?
Yeah, we can hear you, though quite low.
Okay. Is it better now? The going for elections, okay, for 8 good years.
And I won't catch you. Never go for about. Wait me, catch you.
And then my country is China. Okay.
Okay, whatever. Yeah, let's go ahead.
My mixing up. So you call elections about. Let me go.
Sure. So whilst you are going upstairs, just a reminder, our next topic is going to be the NDC. Has it been exhausted or they still have something in stock? Because GP are on strike, physician assistants are threatening, allied health are threatening to go on strike. That's our next topic. That's what we'll be talking about. So when we are done with this, that's the next topic. All right, that's all. Yeah, let's hear you.
Okay, so as a political party, you want power for 8 good years. You know, it's the core elections now 2024. The nana you expected. It's now it was say His Excellency Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia with the party leaders. Yankofo na so mo to aba. Omo a omo ye juma e de so. And so that kind of thank you tour they are very necessary, very needed. Now certain things popped up the lessons have been learned and I know long group, right? Or no company. I'm sure say it was this idea say in Nayanko. I mean because in Nayanko.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm paso you nyina ye koye no. Nima bi kusisi. I didn't stop the man. He still went on to finish the thank you tour. So the thank you tour, no, doctor was hoping to communicate
Achieve.
to the grass unity. To some extent, no, it was achievable. It was I am seeing him as grassroots. They say this man is indeed for unity, indeed for the party. Or also, so no, small line. It's what I'm saying. I say, you see, doctor, especially with Shabby Brave Free, and the answer as grassroots and our members. Every time the Papa no my support and my level of understanding of him It does. Okasa, me support for him, no, increasing. You know, difference. And I know, say we
Right.
all have, You know, the American said, I think it all was a success. Yeah, no, almost young and so that's all I can say.
So thank you. All right. Honorable Ben, good evening. Honorable Ben, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, boys. The opportunity and my greetings to everyone. Lady, I've seen everyone, Tina, and new voice and everyone. Doctor is doing the best, and the thank you tour is very, very important. The defeat, the spirit of the NPP went down to try to rekindle and to and I think that is exactly what Doctor is. He led the party and we had the difference. So he's the to thank the people that even though we went for a war and there is a brighter future tomorrow. Thing the party um, is doing because they are still doing it. So it's the best they are doing and bring the hope back because a lot of people were down after the defeat and all that. My brother, in NPP, there is no person marketable than Dr. Bawumia. He began coming to the seat as the vice president of the republic. Held his position he held and all important and asset to the NPP and the nation at large. Look with, he has a lot to offer. And when Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the pillar of the nation, visions are what the NBC is now going around using. Monetization agenda, they condemned him and spoke ill to him. But Ghana card, enona, NDC, bibia musi wamo digitizing. And so the same person was getting all shifted from the economy to do digitization. So what do you say? Dr. Will read what the world, the direction of the world, no, the Ayenejuma. Ghana for engineer. And you will be we'll see a record the next round. The incompetency, the visionless of John
We do that.
too insensitive. Now, we have a lot to talk about that. Yemfa and Paibo me who said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia only NPP because
Right.
this man and no my pay when will see the light.
All
That's
right. Thank you so much, Honorable. Auntie Akos, good evening. Auntie Akosia Bedu, yes. What you want to say?
Pacha na uswe. Me mpaiwa me bwa ne say delegates. Ebesa ye and tene be ya enima betumi akonkai. What I
Bad
wish.
ain't here.
Um
Why, doctor?
Brian Champo.
Mm.
I think when doctor can choose if it's possible. He can yes.
But you,
Exactly. Exactly. He's the decent person that at least it's like be anymore. So if we should choose another person again, 2028 is going 2024, Bawumia won the election, but say our NPP members were so like how
understand me because to even hear say, yeah, Semo,
the last
our
time I
yeah,
went to I heard someone was saying that hey, when you know pass one to aba or kondukrum koto aba but one ko na the senior I know a lot of people who didn't vote. Even in Kumasi, I know a friend who did not said he was like he didn't feel like and some people too thought say that I went to Makola is or say oh on him say Bawumia be winning and anything one go to Krumanko anko tesa one anko to but I'm say next time
even in the Michael people were saying say they were thinking that or they saw the election going into a runoff. Waste their lorry fares to go on once and then having to travel again to the were
exactly
just seated preparing them for the runoff. And now
exactly
Gobanisa. Yes, it's
I
in the
know a lot
report.
of is going to win hands down. So they will not even travel. I remember it was, I think, a day before like I was standing at a bus stop. There was a lady who was selling some items. Also, no, so I told her that I didn't think I want to go to that thing. There, yeah, last campaign. No. Didn't know uncle. I saw Bawumia be winning to uncle on there. I'm saying, is willing to give her transportation to go and vote. She should have taken the money so that that was the thought of people. Said Bawumia be win. But me, me wo leje kuku.
Oh, okay.
Okoboy
Mafia.
is my best person that I like so much. Well, and
It is
who
well.
say Okoboy is like is divided. Those
Last time you
those at
explained that.
the seaside, they are so primitive to the extent that They went to the other side. Just behind Lekman Hospital.
Okay.
That's where I stay. Very quiet when Okoboy lost the election. That I stay. They were all NPP members. They are guns, but the place was so quiet that I realized that it's like area hanyina yedi mami and I would see they didn't free. You know, those people, you know, I can't say much, but you know them all.
Okay.
It's a very sad. The day that's the day speaking. Me kuku, but I vote at Kwale Clote.
Rollins.
Osu.
Rollins.
Yes. Zinato side. That's why election. I don't know. This election is both. I can say it's that very day. I was still staying. I was staying in the house like 12 a.m. almost one. My parents, my family were calling me here and there to come vote and just go and vote. And even I voted at least, I think around 4 something, few minutes to 5.
Right.
So my parents,
second round, sir.
so I heard something about one of our communicators. Let's say
Fancy comedy.
yes. I don't know if that
Said
is
they are
true.
looking for him. No.
Exactly. I didn't penny phone, so yeah, I found.
The party is by his side. One thing is certain that they cannot kill you. Kill them, they cannot kill you. So even if the right, you go.
Have to go.
Yes, but when you go, the party will surely give you.
But he said nothing wrong.
Whatever is going on. So we know what they are doing. But these things they are doing a campaign my MPP.
Yeah, they are even making the guy more popular. They don't know.
That's all. All right. Thank you. Yes, good evening. Oh, Athens, you are muted. You are not talking. All right, then.
Hello.
Lady,
Hello.
Eti say,
Koko, metie waba,